This is the MX Master 3. Okay, yes. The MX Master 3 is right here, and we are going to go over the simplest way to kind of clean the inside, if you will, without taking it apart. Okay. First, I might want a preference for recommendation that you turn it off, okay? Because you don't want to be clicking everything when you do this. Next, what you want to do is simply tip it upside down, okay? Because we're going to let gravity do most of the work. And then that wheel, just constantly just back and forth movements, okay? The faster you can do, the better, okay? Now, it may seem crazy, but it does actually work because this is an infinite scrolling wheel, which means it will infinitely scroll. There's nothing to stop it at some point. So if you can literally just keep on moving it as much as possible, you can get everything you need out of it, whatever, little buildup and whatever had formed in it. And then you can just use your mouse once again like a mouse, and you don't have to worry about going to get a new one or whatnot. Now, with that said, there could be other issues. Like if this is the only issue, it's an easy fix. And if you want to fix anything among the front of it, you can just like use a Q-tip or something. And that should solve a lot of problems. So I would recommend potentially trying this before you go out and buy a new mouse. If you have the MX Master 3 or something, but it's up to you. Hopefully this does help.